Yamada, greetings. Hey everybody. We are out here doing yoga underneath the sun. Just being kissed by the sun. I know you probably can't see my face, but I am on my yoga mat. I'm in the park. So let's talk about a little bit of yoga. Did you know that yoga has been around for 5,000 years? Now that is a long time. People use yoga to relieve stress, but did you know that yoga is a moving meditation? Yes, they use it, we are all using it, to get back into the present moment. It makes you present, it makes you focus. Every move that you make, you want to make sure that you're making the right move so you are focused at that particular time and moment. It also unblocks your energy blockage. We have these meridians within our bodies, and we have chakras within our bodies, which are energy channels. And yoga helps with unblocking those energy channels. Now let's get started. We are gods and goddesses creating the life that we're thinking of. So let's stay woke, you guys. Peace and love. This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light. If you have any questions or comments, please, we would like to hear them right here on YouTube. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Or you can follow us on Instagram at Illuminated Light 3. Peace and love. Yamada.